This is my 2006 BMW Z4 facelift with the N52 engine. Just got it, guys. I did the window tint to it, got some new wheels for it. So I got the new wheels. This thing is pretty clean, guys. I'm gonna tell you why I got the BMW Z4 and why I like this car so much. This is my second one, actually. Got a muffler delete. Doesn't look that great. I gotta get exhaust tips. These wheels are pretty wide. They're 10 inch, so they're 18 by 10s in the back, 18 by 8.5 in the front. The offset in the back is about, I think it was 25. Front has spacers on there, 20 millimeter spacers or 15 millimeter spacers. Offset on those are about 45. So this has the N52 BMW engine, one of the most reliable engines out there. Naturally aspirated inline six. BMW has the N52. This is the first year where they start putting the N52 in the Z4s. Single diesel. Reliable engine, 215 horsepower to 225. Let's get that drop top going. And the drop top works, which is pretty rare in these cars. Look at that, you get the drop top view. You get that natural lighting up in there. But yeah, guys, everything works in this car. The reason why I actually really wanted it was because I got a good deal on it. We actually bought this one from auction for, you guys would not believe, a good deal. So I picked this thing up from Copart, as usual, where I get my cars. Clean title. It has it had 84,000 miles. Now it has 87,000 miles. And like I said, I got a good deal that I couldn't resist for this car. And I basically bought it for half the price they go for on the market. So that's why I'm pretty stoked about it. It's a fun, cheap car that you can buy, have fun with, put a little mods into it, suspension mods, and you know, take it up to the back roads and still have a lot of fun. So I'll show you guys kind of like the drive of it, the feel. You got the pedal shifters. Backfires a little bit. Sounds good. All right, let's go. Got some power, that's for sure. Let's try to put the top up. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull over so I can put the top up. Yeah. It's kind of hard to hear. Top's going up, guys. I'm going to show you. Oh, that slam though. So although it is an auto, it's still fun. And the pedal shifters do make it worth it. If it wasn't for the pedal shifters, I would not be having this much fun. Let's roll the windows up here. So yeah, guys, this is the reason why I got the Z4. It was a cheap car that you could just buy, drive, have fun. It looks nice. It has all the functionalities that I want. Small cockpit view, very sporty feel, and it's reliable and good on gas. Like, there's a lot of good things about this vehicle, this car, this sports car that I like, because you know that's just the reason, guys. But yeah, I just want you guys to kind of see my perspective. And if you're out there looking for one, you know, I do recommend getting a BMW Z4. It's definitely a nice car. They look good. They drive good. The 3.0i is actually the minimum I would get for the power. If you're getting a 2.5i, that's probably good for daily driving, but that has an M54 engine, which I think comes in like the 325i's and all that. But the new N52s are the way to go. The 3.0i or the 3.0 SI is one of the best. I had an SI before this. Absolutely love the 3.0 SI. Excellent car, fun to drive, has a lot of torque, and it just sounds good. The N52 with the 3-stage manifold, that's what the 3.0 SI has, but also has a tune and better suspension. So if you can't get a 3.0 SI, I definitely recommend it. They do cost a lot more, but you know, it's still cheaper than most cars out there. This thing also gets a lot of head turns, guys. A lot of people can appreciate a nice roadster. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. I wanted to show you the BMW Z4 and you know what I have now. Just a little bit of an update, just because it's been a while ever since I sold the IS. Haven't had a lot going on at all, but this is what I have now. I'm planning on keeping this for, you know, quite some time, just because, I mean, this is the second one I've gotten, so there's a reason why, and it's because I actually like this car out of all the cars I've driven. But you know, if somebody wants to offer me something crazy for it, or you know, offer me something cool, I'll definitely take it. We're also doing an off-road build right now. I'll update you guys on that. As far as you know, what's going on with my off-road project. I just got a new project car, and I'm excited to show you guys that as well. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, guys, I will catch you in the next one. And yeah, let's get this shit rolling.